According to rumors, the Apple iPhone 15 series will see a capacity increase ranging from 18% for the iPhone 15 to 12% for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, whose predecessor already boasts the biggest battery on any iPhone. According to the report, the battery size of the future iPhone 15 Pro Max would increase by 12% over the previous model. Let's compare the current iPhone Pro Max model with that of the prior generation. We may anticipate at least the corresponding increase in the battery life of the devices if the story about the battery size increase comes true. The improvements from a simple battery size increase would likely be supplemented by an Apple A17 CPU with greater efficiency and a newer generation of OLED displays. As can be seen from our projection of the battery capacity increase for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and particularly the iPhone 15, Apple anticipates listing a much longer battery life than that of its predecessors. It depends on the use case, however, since when we put the iPhone 14 series through our own rigorous battery life testing, they only managed to score an hour or two of greater battery life compared to their predecessors in our video streaming and web surfing tests. On the other hand, the battery capacity increase between the iPhone 15 series and previous iPhones is anticipated to be more considerable, plus they would sport more efficient hardware components, so we dare to estimate a much wider battery life difference in favor of the iPhone 15 line this year. All of Apple's 2023 models, including the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max, are expected to include a contemporary USB-C connector with power delivery capabilities in place of the company's dated Lightning connection, according to reputable experts. Apple will have all the necessary infrastructure for quicker charging when the USB-C connector on the iPhone 15 series is introduced. Sadly, it seems like Apple will go slowly and save any meaningful increases in charging speed for the next generations of the iPhone, as is its custom. However, the usage of USB-C will officially enable it to increase the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt, 29-watt charging peak that their predecessors can now score with one of the more powerful Apple chargers anyhow. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.